Hey guys, welcome back to Cook with Penny. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious custard with custard powder. All of the ingredients will be available in the description box below. For this whole recipe, we will be using 500 ml of milk, but now we're going to divide the 500 ml into two. So we are going to add 250 ml of milk into our pot, and then we're just going to place it onto the stove and we're going to let the milk boil. While the milk is boiling, we are going to prepare our other ingredients. So I'm going to use the moirs custard powder. You are welcome to use any type of custard powder. We will be needing 2 tablespoons of custard powder, but if you would like a more thicker consistency, then you are welcome to add more custard powder. And then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Again, you are welcome to adjust the amount of sugar. If you're having a sweet tooth, you can always add more, and if you do not really like sugar, you can decrease the amount of sugar. And now we're going to add the other part of milk that we divided at the beginning, which is the 250 ml of milk. And you're going to get your fork and just mix everything together very well. We do not want to have lumps, so make sure you mix it very well until it is lump free. Our milk is boiling now and our mixture is also lump free, so we're just going to add our mixture into the pot. Make sure your pot is on medium low heat. We do not want to burn our custard, so we're just going to place it on medium low heat, and using a whisk you are now going to continuously mix your custard. So I advise you, and I really mean it, keep stirring your custard. Like after every 3 seconds, just keep stirring. And we're going to do this for around about 5 minutes or until the custard starts to thicken. It has been 5 minutes and the custard is ready. So we're just going to pour it into a bowl. Guys, that is the consistency we are looking for. It is runny but still creamy. So you can serve this while it is hot, or you can let it cool down and serve it with either jelly. So I do have a video on how to make jelly. The link of that video will be available in the description box. Or you can serve it with fruits. You can also just eat it like that. It's pretty simple, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. If it's your first time here, you are welcome, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you are always notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.